In today's lesson, we're going to practice the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. Now, these numbers can be a bit tricky to pronounce, especially with those TH endings. But with slow practice and repetition, you'll get it. Now, I'm going to say each number clearly. You'll listen, then repeat after me. Let's get started. 11th, 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 12th, 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 13th, 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 14th, 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 15th, 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 16th, 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 17th, 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 18th, 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 19th, 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 20th, 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 20th. Now, if you still need help with your ordinal numbers in English, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for ordinal numbers. Check it out.